Hi guys, I'm Nemo from Nemo Power Tools. I'm one of the engineers and the founder of Nemo Power Tools, then one of the engineers of Grabo. I wanted to do a quick unboxing of our new Grabo Pro Lifter and show you some of the new features and how it compares to our current version of Grabo. This here is our new Grabo Pro. The seal is exactly the same as the previous versions of Grabo, so it's all compatible. Now I'll go over some of the differences between the Grabo Pro Lifter and the current version of Grabo. One of the first things that you'll notice is the new ergonomic design of the handle. We received a lot of feedback and input from people working out in the field with the Grabos. One thing that you'll notice is that the handle is slightly thinner, which makes it easier to hold and easier to lift much heavier loads without getting strain on your hand and your wrist. We have a lot of different companies and different individuals making some creative add-ons and new features like panel lifting and different attachments that can be attached to the Grabo. So we obviously kept the attachment points the same. They're the same size, the same length, the same distance from each other. So any attachment that you may have for a current Grabo will also work on Grabo Pro. So one of the first things that you'll notice about the Grabo Pro Lifter is the new digital display. When we turn on the Grabo Pro, we will immediately see the pressure or the weight. And you can switch between the modes from PSI, bar, kilogram, and pounds. Now the PSI and the bar, that's pretty self-explanatory. You know exactly how much pressure or vacuum is in the vacuum chamber underneath the Grabo. The reason that we have the kilogram and the pounds there as well is this actually tells you what is the safe lifting capacity at every given moment. Now this is useful because not every surface is completely sealed, and when we're working with materials that are slightly porous, for example drywall or wood or some pavers, the material is not completely airtight, which means that air will continuously come in to the vacuum chamber. The maximum load that the Grabo can lift will differ. This is where glancing at the display can get useful, because you want to know what is the maximum safe lifting capacity and make sure that you're not lifting anything heavier than the maximum allowed at that given moment. So this paver right here is slightly porous, which means that air gradually and slowly sips into the vacuum chamber on the bottom of the device. So I will turn it on, and this will still get to a level where the machine can turn off because it does reach high enough pressure, but the pressure slowly drops. So you can see that dropping. Now when it gets to a certain level, it will kick back into action. So now it's good, air is coming in, it will start again, and you don't have to worry about it. You don't need to keep it on, and you also don't need to worry about dropping it because it will automatically kick back on. This is a material that lets air through. In this case, probably we're never going to reach that level of turning the device off automatically, which means that it will just keep on. But again, you don't need to worry about it because everything is done automatically, and you can always glance at the digital display and see exactly how much pressure we have in this particular moment and what is the maximum load that we can lift in this particular moment. So let's try. This will continuously stay on because it is porous, but this is right now at 130 pounds. So as long as you're not lifting anything over 130 pounds, you should be okay. That's it for now. Hope that you guys enjoy our new product, and keep up the good work.
Thanks for watching this video of the new Grabo Pro. To learn more about all the new features, when this tool is available, and where to order, please visit our website.